Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The Westmoreland police are probing the circumstances surrounding a triple murder in Crowder District, Grange Hill, in the parish, last evening, April 14. Dead are 20-year-old Wayne Scott, otherwise called Rubbish Heap, 36-year-old Chriselle Hudson, both of Crowder District, and Akeem Bent, otherwise called Red Bull, of Burnt Savannah, Westmoreland. Reports are that about 10:55 p.m., citizens heard explosions and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, a search was conducted of the area and the body of the men were discovered with gunshot wounds. The 56-year-old carpenter from St. James was shot and injured by a gunman while having his evening meal on Tuesday. Reports are that, about 9:30 p.m., the carpenter was sitting on his veranda eating when he was approached by a man who pointed a gun at him and told him not to move. He became fearful and attempted to run but was shot in the back. The gunman escaped. The carpenter was taken to hospital for treatment. The police are investigating.